My name is Ameera Al-Asadi. I'm teaching math for high school equivalency. And today, I'm going to explain equations like equation number 1, 4 plus x equals 10. Example 2, r minus 35 equals 75. 3, x over 3 equals 5. 4, 16 equals 4x. For example number 1, 4 plus x equals 10. We have to find the value of x. Now I have one value, which is x, and I have the power is 1. So I should make x by itself in the left side, because the equation always has two sides, the left side and the right side. And they are even because it's an equation. So I'm gonna get rid from 4. I have to make the variable by itself, which is x. So negative 4, I'm gonna add up the opposite number for 4, which is negative 4, to both sides. I have to make them even, so I have to add up negative 4 to the left side and the same number to the right side. Cancel them up. X equals 10 minus 4, which is 6. Now the value of x equals 6. So if the question is solve and check. So for checking, I can write down the equation and I'm going to evaluate or substitute 6 in the variable x. So if I check the left side, so going to be 4 plus 6, I get 10, which is equals to the 10 in the left side, so I'm good. Example number 2, r minus 35 equals 75. So I have an equation. It means two sides, left side and right side. And the left side, I have two terms. The first term is r, the variable, and the second term is negative 35. Now I have to get rid from negative 35, so I want to keep r, or the variable, by itself in the left side. So positive 35 added to the left side, and I have to add positive 35 to the right side too, because it's an equation. You have to make it even. When you add any number to the left side, you have to add the same number on the right side. So I'm going to add up these two terms, r, put r down, negative 35 plus 35, cancel them out, equals, when I add up 75 plus 35, going to be 110. So this is the solution. It means r equals 110, the solution for this equation. So if the question is solve and check, so this is, I just solved it, but for checking, try it by yourself, please. And if you have any question, so write down a comment and I'm gonna be glad to answer. Example number 3, it's x over 3 equals 5. I have an equation, the left side and the right side. How many terms do you have in the left side? It's one term, x over 3, one term. So I have to make the variable by itself. Now, the bottom or the denominator of the variable is 3. I should make it x, it means x over 1. So I have a fraction in the left side and I have a fraction or a number in the right side. So the bottom of any number is 1. Now I have two fractions. fraction in the left side and a fraction in the right side. So cross multiply. X times 1, x, equals 3 times 5, 15. I'm done. This is the first way to solve this equation. There is another way you can solve it. X over 3 equals 5. So I can multiply both sides by 3 over 1. 3 over 1 times x over 3 and 5 times 3 over 1. So cancel out the 3's. Now I have x equals 5 times 3, 15. These are two ways. You can pick any one, but I think this one is like easier than this one. But anyone you like, you can pick and you're good. The last example is 16 equals 4x. I have an equation and the question is solve for x. The left side is 16 and the right side is 4x, means 4 times x. So I have to make x by itself, the variable by itself. So when I solve it, I should have x equals something right here, means a number. 4 times x was the opposite of multiplication. The opposite operation for multiplication, it's division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Now 16 divided by 4 is 4, equals, cancel out 4. Now 4 equals x, means x equals 4. So this is the solution for this equation, and you can check it. Try how to check the equation. If you have any question, please write a comment.